Okay, what's up YouTube? This is your the iPhone Geek coming to you again directly from my Mac. I'm in the studio again. So right now I'm just showing y'all people how to create a custom firmware using the DEV TEAM Pawnagetool. Alright, this is the Pawnagetool 3.1.4, not the 3.1.3. Alright, right now I'm going to create a custom firmware. I'm going to use the iPod Touch 2nd generation 3.1.2 firmware, but you can use this to create any custom Pawnagetool. Alright, someone asked me for this firmware, so that's why I'm doing it for them, and I'm just deciding to show y'all a video. Okay, if you don't have a Mac, you can get anyone with a Mac to create it for you, and they can create it and they can host it, and you can receive it anywhere, possibly email, whatever you guys decide to do. Alright, so without further ado, I'm just going to go straight into it. The first thing you're going to need is your Pawnagetool. Alright, so you're going to go ahead, you're going to open your Pawnagetool. Alright, go ahead and open this here. Okay, now the Pawnagetool is open. You're going to go ahead and click OK right here on the screen. Click OK. You see right here, it pops on the first one. That's the iPod Touch 2nd generation. Click on that. When the check mark is there, you go ahead and you click Next. It's going to start a search for the firmware. Once it finds it, which is the iPod Touch 2, there it goes. You're going to use either simple mode, which is up here, which is pretty simple. It does everything for you, or you can do expert mode. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick mode right now. So we're going to click on this real quick, the check mark it there, then you click Next. It's going to come, it's going to say we will create an IPSW file for your iPod Touch 2G. Go ahead, click continue, and yes, then it's going to automatically start doing it. This is going to take approximately about 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to let it stay here real quick. Once you see this down here doing its thing, scroll across here. It's going to build it. It's going to automatically put it on the desktop right where this file is, or wherever you decide to put your folder, it's going to put it right there. Alright, so that's where it's going to be. So we're going to let this run. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from here, and then I'll come right back as soon as it finishes. Alright. Alright, so now, as you can see here, it's completed. When you see this pop up, so it says clone Pawnagetool application, put your iPod Touch 2G in recovery mode, start iTunes and restore with the custom firmware bundle, which just appear on the desktop over here. You can see this is the custom firmware right here. Okay, that's the custom one, that's the regular one. It always put the custom firmware exactly where it finds the normal firmware. So right now we're on the desktop here. If you guys don't know how to put your phone in recovery mode, it's a very easy way of doing that. Okay, all you got to do is turn your phone completely off. Or your iPod Touch completely off. When it's off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hold down the home button and put the USB cable back into the iPod Touch or the iPhone. So when you turn your phone off, you got to remove the USB. Then when you hold the home button down, you put it back in. Then your phone will come up with an icon showing it's in recovery mode. Then you do the shift restore for PC, or option, which is right here, this button right here, option, and click restore in iTunes, and then it will go and you search for your custom firmware, select it, let iTunes do its thing, and you'll be fine. Alright, so this is a pretty easy, simple way to create the custom firmware that you can use. Like I said, you can have a friend create it for you if you don't have a Mac. You can see if you can find someone who have it hosted somewhere in the web. I'm going to post this on my YouTube page so you guys be able to get this custom firmware. Alright, this is for the iPod Touch 2nd generation 3.1.2 firmware. Alright, so you're the iPhone Geek in the studio, stepping out again. Later.